gauges your cold and everything, so the temperature is just there. Very good cold. Okay, just a few more revs again, please. I'm with the owner Gary. We're driving the Triumph TR6 with the roof down. We've got a great, lovely soundtrack from the car itself. We're a nice cold day today, and we're going to now sort of show you a few things in the car, like how it's changing gear, show some close-ups of the gauges as well. We're currently just been on an A road now, we're on a B road now, heading towards the Malvern Hills. So just a couple of things really with that. If I just set some footage of Gary driving through the gears, I think. How's the clutch feel?
Feels really good. The clutch was replaced not that long ago, prior to my self-purchase of the car, so no, the clutch is very good. It drives beautifully. Very responsive. Overdrive is very smooth when it kicks in.
Yeah, it's lovely.
So drive in, back out again.
So look at the gauges here, you can see all the gauges. This is on the car, you've got the stainless steel exhaust on the
yes,
car
the
as well.
sports exhaust, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, really, it sounds lovely, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Sounds
Beautiful sound to it.
Really nice, it's there. So what about the brakes of the car? They're very good on this car?
Brakes are very good again, but calipers and discs were all replaced. And yes, as discussed earlier, there's been no advisories on the car for a number of years now. No, everything feels very good, very tight.
And this car as well, I can't hear any sort of knocks or rattles on it.
No, it's very good. It is very good.
How about the steering itself? Does the steering feel just
yep,
sharp?
Yep, it does. Again, not that long ago. It was last time I had the steering retract. So no, all in all, it's. I'm not aware of any mechanically related issues.
And the steering, like steering wheel, nice and straight as well, isn't it? It's very true there, isn't it?
True.
So,
yep. There's no pulling to the left or right when you're braking as well. So that feels very good.
I like the fact you've got a couple of nice mod cons here as well. You've got the CD player as well, which adds that little bit of...
yes. Yep. Never use it because I like to hear the exhaust notes.
I don't think I've
ever switched it on.
It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? It's, in some respects, you'll be a bit sad to see it go, I suppose, in a way.
Very well. I mean, it's as we discussed with the Audi this morning. Once you get back in it again and start driving it, and I have to be honest, lots of my friends have said, "Well, keep a TR6 and sell the Audi." And this car gets much more attention on the road than the R8 ever gets. It's a lovely car. I will miss it for sure.
It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? And it's just a lovely day for today, isn't it? Roof down.
Perfect.
I mean, this is just like what it's about, isn't it?
Exactly.
It may be the first day of winter officially, but this is the way to spend it. Roof down. It might be cold, but it feels good.
No, it's lovely. It's lovely.
It feels lovely, doesn't it? Really, really impressive. That's what brings us to the end of this driving video. I've had an absolutely fantastic time with this car. Absolutely love it. I think it's a lovely looking car. It'd be great to see it go to a good home as well. on that as well, won't it? On that, it's been fantastic. So thank you, Gary. I really enjoyed that. It's been wonderful. Thank you.